Step into the future of baking with the Innawei DM001 dough molder and food shaping machine by Innawei Technology. This powerful commercial machine is built for speed, precision, and versatility. Whether you're making baguettes, toast bread, sandwich loaves, hot dog buns, or world favorites like pita, chapati, cubs, Samoon, injera, bolillo, agege bread, or maracata, the Innawei DM001 delivers consistent professional results every time. With automatic dough shaping, adjustable rollers, and a sturdy stainless steel design, this machine makes bakery production smoother, faster, and more efficient. It's compact, easy to clean, and designed for bakeries, hotels, restaurants, and food factories. If you want to upgrade your bakery, cut down labor costs, and boost production capacity, the Innawei DM001 is your best partner. Contact Innawei Technology today